Welcome to 3800 Plowden Road, apartment D6. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, handicap accessible apartment. It's an end unit on a building at the back of the complex. Apartment complex itself is convenient to the Rosewood area of Columbia, I-77, Fort Jackson, USC, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're out front now. You can see the handicap parking space and ramp here to this unit. It is the end unit on the building. There is a covered patio with a storage room on that end. We'll take a look at that from the inside. There's a door out there from the bedroom as well. So you have a covered entry and you enter into the living room. See the window out to that front porch. And then you can see kitchen here has updated laminate hardwood flooring. You have a refrigerator, an electric stove, and do have lower height countertops here that are handicap accessible. Washer dryer connection in the kitchen will fit a stackable washer and dryer. And then you do have the bathroom here. Flooring has been updated in here as well. It's also handicap accessible, so you can see you have the wall mount sink, grab bars there, and then the shower is either easy walk-in or roll-in. And it's tiled, so no tub in this one. And then here at the back, you have the bedroom. So you can see that door that goes out. You have 2 closets here on this side, and then a little bit of attic access. And this door just goes out to, again, that side patio that is covered. And then back here you do have the storage room as well. There's some good storage space in there. So again, the address here is 3800 Plowden Road. This is apartment D6, handicap accessible unit in Rosewood. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.